Now we're going to do calculations with units based on mass or length. Problem number 1. Convert 4.50 yards to millimeters, then to meters. Well, we're going to start out, we're going to set up our problem, 4.50 yards. And then you have to think, okay, how can I get out of yards? Over here we have a conversion table, but the information in here is kind of limited in regards to yards. So we have to know for every 1 yard that you're basically dealing with 3 feet. 3 feet. Then 1 foot is 12 inches. Now, we do know this conversion factor, 1 inch is equivalent to 2.54 centimeters. That gets us out of English units into the metric system. So let's use it. Let's go 1 inch is equivalent to 2.54 centimeters. But we got to keep going.